Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Sandra and I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We own a little boutique shop on Main Street in Pine City, Minnesota, where we carry repurposed and upcycled furniture, home decor, and also some amazing gifts. You can find us on all the social medias. Those are all linked below. And on our website, which is www.midwestcharm.co. Again, I think that's linked below as well. If you see any items that you would like to purchase, shoot us a message, either midwestcharm10@gmail.com, or you can hit us up on any of the social medias, including the website, and we'll get back to you with that information. We don't put a lot of our finds on to the website because they are a lot of times just one-offs, and it's really hard to and time consuming to load and unload those stuff onto the website as they sell. So we have a pretty high sell-through rate, and it just doesn't make sense for us. So we do, however, ship, and we do, however, invoice for anybody who sees something that they want and get them out to you. So that is not a problem. It's just more time consuming to put it up on the website. So now that those are all done, let's get into this, you guys. We went to our first yard sale of the season. I was so excited. It was kind of icky, cold, and we weren't going to go, and then we were, and then we weren't, and then we were. And we finally decided, let's go ahead and go. We got there probably about 15 minutes after they had opened, and some of the stuff I had seen in the pictures that I wanted was already gone, but we still managed to load up the truck pretty well, I think. In the back of the truck, we had a bench, which I don't have a picture of, I don't think, but that's going up to the store for outside for people to sit on. So I will get a picture of that. Also, we got two dressers, and I'll put a picture up here of those two dressers. Both of them old, beautiful. I can't wait to get those flipped. I already have ideas on those. So that was like the big portion of our haul. And these people had fabulous prices with just some of the coolest stuff, and I could have bought so much more, but I didn't have enough cash on me. So that kind of deterred things a bit. In my last haul video, I had mentioned, or one of my previous haul videos, that when the price is right, you need to grab off-season decor, as you can see by my pumpkin there. We got a couple more. I paid, yes, 50 cents for this cutie pie. And again, when they're that cheap, you've got to grab them and get them put away for the season. This one is a vintage chenille. It was $1, you guys, and it's beautiful. And again, you got to grab them when you can get them for those prices. So I was super excited about that. And I don't even know where to start because there's so much stuff. So let's, that was actually a Goodwill. So we're going to do that in the next video. So we're going to start with this because this is Katie's. This is a Fenton basket weave. What was it? Rosette glass. It's beautiful. She would not put it down. She hugged it. And so this is now hers. So this will not be going in the store. It is not for sale, but it was beautiful. And yes, we only paid $4 for that. So we were super excited about that. And I'm just going to go with what's on top here. And so it's kind of going to be out of order and not necessarily like items, but we got a bunch of spools. So she had bags of spools. This bag has multiple colors of thread on it, and there is 6 spools. That was $5 for the bag. Definitely a score for us. We love throwing these in vignettes. If we have like a color scheme going, it is so cool to put 1 or 2 of these in there to make that pop. It's great. We also grabbed empty spools. So these bags were each $5 each. I didn't even count them. I just grabbed them because I love these things. And as you can see, we got a lot of red and green. Perfect for Christmas. So we will definitely be putting some of these aside for that. There's also a couple of blue ones in this bag as well. Again, these are great for pops of colors in your vignettes. We're trying to get a new strawberry vignette going. So a couple of these red ones will be sure to be put in there. And then she had another bag with, I have a call coming in. I'm trying to decide if I need that. I don't think I do. A couple of bags with regular spools, with the wooden spools, the old ones. And she had one bag that had probably about a third of this of empty spools. And I have a ton of those already. So I grabbed the threaded ones, and they're mostly wooden spools, which, if you know, they're hard to find. This whole bag was $3. So these will look great, again, as your pop of color in a vignette, and then throw some of the spools that don't have thread on there with it, and that's super cute. Fill up a jar. You've got a lot of possibilities with this. We love grabbing these. This was 50 cents. It's yarn just on an old cone, and these are so much fun. We did several of these. My brain's not working. Last Christmas as Christmas trees, and it was super duper cute. So we'll probably be doing that again. I love this. So it's way. So I grabbed this, you guys. Yes, it's a hurricane, a lamp topper, and milk glass hobnail. You know we love all the hobnail. I am now on the hunt for the milk glass bottom for this, and I paid $1. $1 for this. $1. And this is the harder part to find. So I was pretty excited about this. This won't go in the store yet until I find a bottom. And if I can't find a milk glass one, I'm good with a clear one too, you know. But that'll definitely be going into the store. This was another thing Kate kind of got excited over. We got 4 of these spongeware, enamelware bowls. And they definitely have some amazing wear on them. And yes, I paid, excuse me, 75 cents a piece. And you've got all the goodness of, you know, the old, I don't know, they're beautiful. So we grabbed all 4 of those. Those just need the stickers off. I'm talking to Katie. She's packing stuff up for the store as we go through this so that we can have my dining room back. I was so excited about this next find, you guys. This was one that I kind of carried on my lap because it was so pretty. I love all the cake stands. You guys know that. But look at this milk glass one. It is not marked. Haven't researched it too much, but I know this will sell without a problem. We also have a cloche, which would look really, really pretty on the top of this. That big one. Oof. It'd be super cute. I don't know. This is great. These make wonderful risers before they sell. Just to add some height difference in your vignettes. A super good buy. I paid $5 for this. I love yard sale season. I just, the amount of stuff that we get that's so much better priced. Next up, I mentioned we were gonna do a strawberry vignette, and then everything sold. And so we've been slowly collecting again. Look at this gorgeous vintage cookie jar, you guys. It's there's one little chip right there, and that's it. That is the only thing I can find that's off. I paid $4 for this beauty. The painting on this is fabulous. The glazing is fabulous. I don't know, it was a really good piece. I was super excited. I grabbed that one right away as soon as I saw it too. Okay, and back to our Fenton hobnail, you guys. Yes, I have another one of these already in the store because we just found, gosh, was that like a month ago we found all that milk glass, Katie? But yeah, $1, you guys. You can't pass up hobnail for $1. If you don't always have the little cork for the top, these will make a really cute little vase. But I was super excited to find that one. The next thing my hubby grabbed, and I'm glad he did, this is all cobalt blue bottles and jars. So the first thing we have is a vase that is stunning, stunning, stunning. No marks on it. I haven't researched any of this yet. I've not had a good health week, so I'm just getting around to getting all this filmed. We got a bottle with a cork. I don't know, is that a water? I don't know what this is, but it's pretty. I don't even care if it's vintage. It's got the color we love. And there's a little blue, this would be cute with some sprigs of greenery or white floral. Got it this size of one. No cap on that. And then another one like the I just showed you, but this one's got the rusty top to it. And then like a milk jar size one. That whole box of blue glass was $10. So that was a good find. We love cobalt glass at the store. Cobalt is just a really in color, a great neutral for any time of year. These next bag was 10 bucks and it's all butter pats. Butter pats make incredible little trinket dishes. And if you can get the same kind, they make a great little riser. These first ones, I wasn't sure if these plated ones, there's a good stack of them here, if these are butter pats or if these are coasters, because I've got coasters like this at the store that are silver plated. I'm just going to go through and show you like the good variety we got. These vintage Japan birds. I think there's 4 in here. I just got to dig. Little birds on there, you see them? We've got that stack, and look how beautiful they look stacked up. And then you put something little on top of there, or a little piece of greenery on there. We've got just lots of variety. We've got some clear glass ones with the gold trim. We've got, there are some that are like touristy, but they're all, I mean, like made in Japan. They're definitely vintage. We have some of these white ones. I don't think these are ironstone. They're awfully light. So I don't think they're ironstone, but they're super pretty. And again, the cutest little riser for a little votive or something. We've got some thicker ones, which I'm trying to dig through these to find some matchers to show you. These ones look like restaurant wear ones. They're the thicker with the green striping on the edge. Again, really great stacked. We have the little all white ones. Anyways, yeah, there's a whole bag of them. I'll show you the bag here as soon as I get all these put back in. I paid 10 bucks for the whole bag. I think this is a great buy. We usually style these up as trinket dishes, and they do pretty well for us. Okay, next up, we always buy Crocs if they're a decent price. And I can tell you it's probably been a good 1.5 years, maybe 2 years since we have found Crocs, especially Crocs at decent prices. So when I saw these for $2 each, I had to grab them. So these are just, well, this one says 3, but it's 2 on the inside. Regardless, $2 or $3, this was well worth it. There are no cracks or chips in this one. It is not marked. They all need cleaned out. They look like they were used as planters. Not a big deal. We will scrub these up. These may get upcycled. I have not decided yet. We haven't really talked about what we're doing with these ones yet. But we got that one. Watch out, Moki. And we got this one. It does have like, this is like in the glazing, so it's not like a crack or anything that's bad. And this is the Roseville ones. They bought it for $4.99 at Goodwill. We got it for $2. Again, it needs cleaned because it was used as a planter. But smoking deals on those. We love them. I don't think we have a single Croc in the store right now of any size. No. So they do well for us. I grabbed these vintage corbels. They're nothing fancy, but you guys, with some chippy milk paint on these will look fabulous. I was really excited to grab these. They were $3 for the pair. I love them. Again, these will for sure be getting upcycled. This is what I was calling Katie's Haunted Mirror. This is just a nice old vintagey mirror. You guys, look at that. You can see all the wear up here. It's beautiful. The little stand, however, just kind of goes all the way up. So we need to figure that out to get it to stand properly. It's in like a little cherry frame.
Looks cherry.
It looks cherry. With the little feet. It's super cute. Anyways, $2 for that. This will get cleaned up and put into the store. I probably am not doing anything to it other than trying to figure out how to get the back to work a little better. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I grabbed it. You guys, this is actually way bigger than your average. Thank you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's way bigger than your average rolling pin is. So, ooh, huh? Oh yeah, that would be better. So yeah, way bigger. It was maybe a couple bucks, $2. I don't remember, but the coloring on this is good. I'm not doing anything to this one. It's not getting upcycled. It's just gonna get cleaned up, maybe oiled, and put in the store. Was there anything else outside besides the bench? I already mentioned that. Then I grabbed this toolbox. It is gross and dirty, and I have a cup of coffee there, so I'm trying to be careful. This is gonna get sprayed down. The boys have their pressure washer out, so I'm gonna have them spray this down. It was $3. I'm gonna just sand over this to get off any loose chippy paint. It's an orange color, which I'm okay with because I love this. We'll then seal this up so that we can keep all that chippy original. I mean, look at that handle, you guys. It's fabulous. And then last but not least, we got a teeny tiny little brass bell with a wood handle. I think I paid $1 for that, maybe 50 cents. I don't remember. So that's our haul from our first yard sale of the year. What do you guys think? What was your favorite item? I don't know if I have one. Maybe the cake stand. I don't know. It was pretty. I don't know. Let me know. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We really appreciate it. It does help our little business out. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.